Welcome to this, my first ever YouTube video. Thank you for taking time out of your day to watch this. My name is Jonathan, and I just want to tell you a little bit about myself, my circumstances, and why I decided to join CashFX and my experience with it. Before I start, I would like to let you know that I'm not a financial advisor and I do not know your personal financial circumstances. So just take this video as a detail of my experiences to date and my opinion regarding CashFX, my experience so far, which pertain to my personal circumstances, and don't take into account any of your personal circumstances. And if you want further information, then reach out to me. But this certainly is not a recommendation for you to go out and invest some of your hard-earned money into CashFX. But yeah, reach out to me if you do want some further information. As you can probably tell, I'm not a marketing expert, and this is the first time I've ever done anything like this. Put anything out on YouTube and try and inform people of what's actually out there, what's available for you to potentially start earning online. For myself, I was made redundant a number of years ago. I'm a family man. I've got 2 young boys, and I'm now living in Australia. And for a while now, I've been trying to find something which is of interest to me and something that I think has a future, long-term future, and ability for me to start earning online and help to support my family. And so last year, back in October 2020, I was looking into such opportunities, and then I came across CashFX. I liked what I saw, and I decided to become a member, join the CashFX opportunity. And now I will go through my experiences today and provide you with some information that will help you and your understanding of CashFX and what it can actually do for you. When I came across CashFX, I thought, if this is real, then I certainly wish that I'd come across it sooner. So I had my concerns, but decided that I wanted to give it a try, and if it was really good and it delivered on what it was promising, then I, for one, wanted to go out there and make other people aware, because I certainly wasn't aware of it previously, and then for them to make their own decision as to whether or not that it would be something that they may be interested in. What I liked about CashFX is the fact that it was investing in the Forex market, something that I was quite familiar with and I understood. But in addition to the professionals earning on your behalf, I was also interested to know that it was possible to earn other income by making others aware of this opportunity, and then allow them to decide if they wanted to join in. If they did, then you would benefit whilst they're also benefiting from the professional traders. This has been around since July 2019, but the key for me was it actually going to pay me, start earning the income within 72 hours? And was it going to provide that regular income that it suggested? Whether or not I decided to work it as a business and trying to promote it to others. And so, yes, that's what I wanted to do. That's what I was keen to see. And also other things like withdrawals. Was it possible to withdraw? Because since joining, I've become aware of other opportunities that have made big promises, but unfortunately they haven't delivered, and people have lost their money. So was CashFX, or is CashFX like that? I hope that you watching this video will allow you to make an informed decision based on experiences like myself, who's been in since October 2020, and now we're into March. I can provide you my results shortly. Okay, so this is my back office in the CashFX system. So if we go down, be able to see our results to date. So at the moment, having started on the $1,000 trade pack, to date I've earned $1,145, and that's mostly made from the bear capital, which is money made from the professionals trading on your behalf on the Forex market. And then I've got a little bit which has been made by having other people in my team, by promoting it to others who've decided to join under me. Okay, so if we go into back office, be able to see confirmation of when I actually started. Click on here, it says that I started earning bear capital from the traders trading on my behalf on the 12th of October 2020. And if I go in here, then it'll show all the transactions on my account. So the first week, this is trading income, about $38, $39. And then each week it's sort of the similar amount regarding the trading pool. And then if I go up to more recently, you can see those amounts are quite similar in terms of the trading pool. Type in TRA, then that shows all the trading results to date. As you can see, pretty much every week, definitely every week, without fail, a similar amount is being paid to me. The 18th, 25th, 31st of October initially, and then more recently, end of March, 14th, 21st, 28th of March, and paid around the $35 to $40 a week being earned. And then on the, for example, the 14th and the 15th of February, they realised they hadn't paid the full amount, so then they paid the difference. So without fail, in my experience, CashFX is earning 5 days a week, and they pay out, they credit your balance at the end of every week, and there hasn't been a single week that they haven't actually credited your balance with those earnings from the Forex traders trading on your behalf. Now, in addition to that, I've also I've made one withdrawal, and so that was back in February. So I can see that as well as earning money from the professional traders, I also can withdraw those funds, which obviously is very important. And then also the main way of earning money is you can earn money from fast start bonuses, where you get people joining your team, and then that's a good way to boost your earnings. And that's certainly what a lot of people are doing. So yeah, so for me, CashFX today has been delivering on everything that it says it's going to do. So it earns your income on a daily basis, 5 days a week. It pays out, credits your account with that money every weekend without fail, and you can also, that allows you to earn great passive income. In my experience to date, past performance is no indicator of future performance, but to date it seems to be around 1% is what CashFX earns every day, 5 days a week, every working day of the week, which is a great return, passive income, you don't have to worry about, and you can just leave the professionals earning that money for you. If you're into trying to run it as a business, you can certainly do that, and it certainly makes sense for people that want to promote such opportunities, or they have experience in network marketing, or they like to go on social media and promote things and try and grow themselves and try to help others, then CashFX certainly is certainly a viable option and great way for you to potentially do that. So if you're looking for passive income, not running it as a business, then CashFX can certainly meet your needs. Or if you want to run it, be a lot more active and run it as a business, make them aware of this opportunity, then CashFX certainly will meet your needs and can really deliver on the efforts and work that you're prepared to put into it. So for me, to sum it up, other opportunities are out there, other ways to earn online are out there, promising great returns. But in my experience, they tend not to be around for the long term. CashFX now is coming up to 2 years. Later on, a couple more months, it'll have its 2-year anniversary, and it's consistently paying out 5 days a week, is growing at a considerable rate, making people very successful, and some people are earning a great income purely from the passive income, but also through promoting this opportunity and making a real difference to their lives and helping change the lives of many others. So if you're interested in this opportunity, looking at joining the thousands of members that are already part of the CashFX family, come join the family here and check out information that's at the bottom of this YouTube page. And I'm certainly happy to answer any questions you have or to deal with any inquiries that you do have. Now, my next YouTube video, I'm going to go through how you can turn the $300 trade pack, which is the lowest trade pack you can come in under of CashFX. So that's $300 US. You can turn that into $100,000 purely with CashFX without needing to put any more of your own money in. Now, I've made some assumptions in terms of how long it will take to do that, but it's certainly possible. And there are many examples within the organisation of people that have already done that.